Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and today I'll be showing you an amazing indicator in TradingView that is basically a secret to most traders. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from over trading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. So we're going to start off with a USD JPY chart with a 5-minute time frame. Now let's go to the indicator section and type in L2 Perry. And you're going to see this indicator here, Black Cat L2 Perry Kaufman Adaptive MA. Let's add that to our chart, and we're going to make a quick change here. So let's go to the settings and then input, and let's change the period F to 12 and the period S to 50. Okay, so you can see this is a very colorful indicator here, guys. So this section where we have the purple channel here, that signifies the downtrend of the market, and where you see the yellow channel here, that means we're in an uptrend. Okay, now the second indicator that we'll add is called moving average exponential, but we can just type in EMA and it should pop up here for us. Here we go. Let's add this to our chart. And let's make some quick changes here as well. Let's go to the settings and then style, and we're just gonna make this a little bit thicker of the line here, just so that it stands out a bit more. Alright, we could even make it a bit darker blue, I guess. Yeah, that should work. Okay, hit OK. So now our setup is ready. So basically with the EMA line, whenever the market is below the line, then we know we're in a downtrend. Alright. And then whenever we see the market above the line, then we know that we're in an uptrend. And we could enter into buy positions, alright? And with the downtrend, you know, we could go into sell positions there. So let's take a look at our chart. Okay, so if you look right here, guys, we have our EMA line and we can see the market above it, and we have a buy signal right here. So we can see that this is a very good buy signal, because also the yellow channel here indicates an uptrend of the market, so this would be a very profitable buy signal right here. And if you take a look here, we have a sell signal, because we have the purple channel here indicating a downtrend, and you can see the EMA line, the market is below the EMA line, so we could definitely take this sell position right here. Here we have another good buy signal right here. We can see the market is in an uptrend, and the line, the market is above the EMA line in this case, so this is a very good buy signal. And we also have a sell signal right here as well. You see the purple channel here indicating the downtrend, and the market is also below the EMA line again. Alright, so this would be a good sell signal. And this setup works well for other charts as well. Let's go ahead and look at the Euro USD chart. So if you take a look right here, we have our purple channel with the market going downwards, and you can see that the price action is also below the EMA line right here, and we have our sell signal as well. So this is a very accurate one here again. And right over here again, we can see the yellow channel. This means the uptrend, where the market is in an uptrend, and the price action is also above the EMA line right here, and we could take our buy position at this section right here. So this is another good signal for us, guys. So this is a good indicator, especially for the 5-minute time frame, guys. So you can try it out and hopefully get some profitable trades, okay? So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.